Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a reliable method. Pick VPN for full traffic, Smart DNS for streaming, or Proxy for single apps. Once chosen, create or sign into the service and download the official client for your device. Make sure to allow required permissions and note any activation codes. You should verify your current IP and location now so you can confirm success later. Begin installation immediately and keep your credentials handy for the next setups. You install the client or log into your router control panel. Follow the provider's config guide step by step. Once installed, connect to a server located in your desired region and test a few servers to find the fastest. Configure DNS to the provider or enter the recommended IPs to avoid leaks, and enable the kill switch to block traffic if the connection drops. Make sure to clear app caches where region locks persist, then retest the service. You verify the change by checking your IP and attempting region-locked content. Confirm the new region appears. If content still blocks you, switch servers, change VPN protocol, or use obfuscated mode. Some services detect standard VPN traffic. Once done, clear browser and app caches, or try a private window to bypass cached location data. If problems persist, check account geographic restrictions or contact support. Remember to turn off or remove settings when you want to revert to your original region.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.